ice cave here, but maybe we're going to go inside here. We'll see. There it is. Go in one way and come out a different way there, and there's all the ice outside here, hanging here. The ice cave here. I gotta watch my step so I don't fall. Look at this. Oh, there's ice here. Look at this here. Oh boy. I'm making a tune on the play us a song. Oh, the ice hanging up here in the ice cave. Very good. They're inside the ice cave here. Yeah, I'm in the ice cave here. Got the ice in back of me. I can't move around too much because it's very slippery. I might fall, but it's all ice in here, as you can see here. So I'm going to try to turn around if I can on the other side here. We'll see. And there we go. There's the entrance there. Okay. Coming out of the cave, right next to the ice here, as we're coming along here. Going very slowly because it's very slippery that I'm walking on here. And got the ice here. I'm going to try to turn around. There's still some people down the cave there. But you can see up top there, all the icicles. They're over here too. Well, this is the other side of the cave. Very slippery, very icy. And you can see the icicles hanging there. And if you look down the bottom of the cave here, right at the floor, you can see right through the ice there. You can see how far down that ice goes. It's like clear ice there.
You need some ice cubes for cocktails?
Yeah, I know. Those are good ones there. Nice clear ice.